them there.
Yeah.
You still have some
Ihinda.
for emergency.
Yeah, it must be open now.
Yeah, it is.
So 1 meter.
In case we are thinking about reopening, you have had me asking about water. We shall need a situation where there is flowing water in most schools, and so it is something that we are dealing with, even though the committee is thinking about it. So for this particular school, my advice is that we get more water storage tanks. I've seen the MP who has utilized the CDF funds in a reasonably good manner compared to others. But there is no harm in getting more water. There is no harm in ensuring that we have more toilets for the girls. You have seen the boarding house. That is the one for the status quo ante before the disease came. So we must also think, if we are going to reopen, to keep the social distance of 1 meter. And therefore, having 6 double-deckers in a cubicle is something that we shall have to reconsider, so that if a child is staying and she's infected, she can't infect the one who is a meter away from her. So all those issues are contemporary. It's not just about reopening. It is a medical crisis.